Hello everyone, this is Muhammad and today we are working on an elevated button. So let us start to create elevated button. So guys, this is a default project of the Flutter I already created, and in the scaffold I set a center, and in the center I will set a child, and in the child I will set an elevated button. The elevated button has a property like child, and I will set the child as text on submit. I like submit. Okay, and it also has a one press property. So whenever we click on that, this function will be called. So guys, this is a default elevated button with a default primary color. So let's start with the style. So I want to set the background color of the elevated button. So for this I will set the style of the elevated button. So here the property elevated button dot from style sort style from, and then it has a background color should be like I think gray. It will reflect the color, and if I want to change the submit color, like it is a white color, so I want to use a foreground color, like should be a red. Okay, red color is not, so black. Black. Okay, and after that and I also want to change the border radius of this button. So I will use a shape and shape round rectangular border, and this contain a border radius property. So we will use a border radius dot circular border circular. So here I will set a 20, so it will create a border, and after that I also want to change the border color. So we'll use a side property, and a side property property has a border side. Okay, we need to use this inside the style here. So side property also has a color, so I will set a red color, and after that I also want to set the width so it will be visible. Okay, so guys, this is the border of the elevated button color. So in such way we can use an elevated button. So it is easy to create an elevated button and set some styles and elevations, some foreground background colors. So for today it is enough, and I will meet you in the next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and tutorials. Bye.